Hi, this is Colors of the Wind Farm. Spring is coming. All the beautiful flowers. But best of all comes spring foals. There's nothing better than to wake up in the morning and find one of these little beauties in your stall. And next comes the spring and summer shows. Some you win, some you lose. This is Bob just enjoying summer with our Arabian mares. This is some of the kids having fun on our horses, and sometimes having fun even painting our horses. Oh yeah, there's a lot of work to be done on a horse farm. And this is Bob saying hello to Checkers. Bet you can't guess who's Checkers. This is our paint stallion, he's mighty fine. Our paint stallion Prism Chief Cimarron. Our black Arabian stallion Pharaoh's Ransom. Our Palomino stallion Pecos Bill B. Our barn kitties. This is our visiting swan. And now we're back to fall. And oh yeah, we really need to stock up before the snow flies. And the cycle begins all over again. Thanks for watching our video, Colors of the Wind Farm, Trever, Wisconsin.